Chapter 3 Motion in One Dimension. Introduction. We can describe motion using the two disciplines of kinematics and dynamics. Dynamics is concerned with the causes of motion and involves describing motion through properties such as position, time, velocity, and acceleration. Position. The position is the location of an object at a particular time. A frame of reference is an arbitrary set of axes from which the position and motion of an object are described. To describe the position of an object undergoing one-dimensional motion, we often use the variable x. Displacement. A change in position is referred to as displacement. The word displacement implies that an object has moved or has been displaced. Although the position is the numerical value of x along a straight line where an object might be located, displacement gives the change in position along this line. We define total displacement as the sum of the individual displacements and express this mathematically with the equation below. Average velocity. For each position xi, we assign a particular time ti. If the motion details at each instant are important, the rate is usually expressed as the average velocity. This vector quantity is simply the total displacement between 2 points divided by the time taken to travel between them. The time taken to travel between 2 points is called the elapsed time. Instantaneous velocity. The quantity that tells us how fast an object is moving anywhere along its path is the instantaneous velocity, usually called simply velocity. It is the average velocity between 2 points on the path in the limit at the time, and therefore the displacement between the two events approaches zero. Average acceleration is the rate of change in velocity, the change in velocity over time. Instantaneous acceleration is defined as the ratio of change in velocity during a given time interval such that the time interval goes to zero. Gravity. The most remarkable and unexpected fact about falling objects is that if air resistance and friction are negligible, then in a given location, all objects fall towards the center of Earth with the same constant acceleration, independent of their mass. Free fall. Free fall is the state of movement that results from gravitational force only. The force of gravity causes objects to fall towards the center of the Earth. The acceleration of free-falling objects is therefore called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is constant, which means we can apply the kinematics equations to any falling objects where air resistance and friction are negligible.